During Passover, one of the most time-honored dishes is matzo ball soup, and today on Kitchen Guy, I'll show you how to make this delicious and very tasty kind of dumpling. You'll need matzo meal, which you can find in the ethnic section of your supermarket. Oh yes, and the recipe also calls for rendered chicken fat, but I'll spare your arteries and substitute canola oil. Start by mixing together a cup of matzo meal, along with a quarter cup of canola oil, and a half a cup of seltzer or club soda. Mix that together well. And then in another bowl, mix together 4 eggs until they're frothy, and then add that to the matzo meal mixture, along with a teaspoon of salt. Mix it together well, and then let it rest in the refrigerator for an hour or two. Now bring 2 quarts of chicken soup to a simmer and then form the matzo balls. You can do it like you make meatballs, or you can do like we did in culinary school and make what they call quenelles. That's taking a spoonful and then alternating between the spoons until you get a football-shaped dumpling. And then you drop it into the into the chicken soup, and then let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now you'll see the matzo balls increase in size. The club soda or the seltzer water that you use will help aerate the mixture and make them nice and fluffy. You can get this recipe by logging onto the website or by writing to me here at the station. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, and happy Passover.